What's happening, folks? We're out here in the dark checking for damage from the massive windstorm we had. Oh, it was crazy out here. Close to 70-mile-an-hour winds. Solar panels seem to be fine. I'll show you them in a minute. I have to flip the camera around. It won't allow me to do that while I'm recording a video. I don't know why. That's stupid. But I'm looking around. I'll make sure there ain't no damage. I was make sure his phone was recording. It didn't look like it was. So far, everything's looking good. See, I'm here. All right. Oh, we got a strap off. I'll show that to you in a minute. Honey looks fine. Yeah, Honey's actually been sitting here about 24 hours since the windstorm. We were away getting Becky, and I have been sleeping. It's me sleeping. For quite a while now. Everything's looking fine. I'll walk you guys around and show you. Righty, let's look around. I noticed this right here. Oops, water ran out. Wind kind of frayed this. So it's really the only damage that I found on the clam. It seemed to have, oh, it's moved back over. The table was sticking out a little bit. So I think it's moved back into place now. But over here, right there, that strap came down and hooked up right there. So we've got to fix that. Oops. There. I ain't going anywhere. Other than that, really, I don't see any damage anywhere else so far. Look what I did, Starlink. That wouldn't go anywhere either. Weighted her down pretty heavy. Oh, one of our lights blew on the ground. That picked up. We set them up there. During the daytime, we got two inside Honey. Those are empty, but the wind didn't blow them around, I don't think. Maybe twisted it. No, it's fine. All the solar panels on the ground. They all survived. That one I was worried about. The wind did pick that one up. The windstorm last week, but it stayed down this time. There's the two 190s out there. Of course, these are three 250s. That's a 250. That's 100 watts. But everything is intact, it looks like. Something up here was... Oh, it was that light. It's up there on top of the... Up there on top of the rig. See it up there? I have to reach up there and bring that back down. Looks like the antenna up there got a little crink in the top of it. That wasn't there before. But all in all, everybody survived it. We are missing a 2.5 gallon white bucket that had our dog pooper scooper in it. Let's go out here and see if this washer's running. We haven't found the bucket yet, but who knows? Well, there's water in the wash. It was running. There's water down there. It's not running right now, but it has been running. Garbage down there from the wind. But that was fierce. It was almost 70 miles an hour. Somebody had a wind gauge out here and it was 67 point something. All the wood survived. Firing survived. Of course, Bobby survived. Everything in the clam survived except that bulb. That light bulb right there. It broke out of its, right there's its socket. Right there. It did break out of the socket rest of the way. So we need a new bulb. But other than that, everything's intact. No tears. Very nice, very nice. Like I said, the only thing we found missing is the bucket, the 2.5 gallon bucket. And I'm going to fire the generator up too while I'm out here. It's been cloudy and rainy all day. To choke it. But okay. I'll enjoy your weather. Our nasty stuff is over. I'm going back in where it's warm. Have a good one.